Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to upload a HIRevPro contract to Docusign. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is come down to View Details of the quote that you would like to sign. Click that button. It's going to open this page. You're going to want to click Generate Contract right up here. It's going to pull up a separate PDF. It's going to look like this. So it's going to have all of your information, but it's not going to be signed yet. So we're going to want to go up to the top screen right up here. We're going to click that upload button. It's going to give you a couple of different options, but if you have already downloaded Docusign on your iPad or tablet, it should give you the option to copy to Docusign right here. So we're going to choose that. So it's going to automatically import your contract to your Docusign account. From there, you're going to come down to this yellow button and click Sign Now. So it's going to upload that document right here. You're going to come down to the very last page, and first you are going to sign the document. So you're going to click Signature up the top right here. And then you're going to want to come down to Team Member Signature, and you're just going to click. So it's going to automatically drop that signature for you. Edit that if needed. Move it over a tiny bit right there. Next, you're going to want to add your date. So you're going to come up to the top right here. You're going to click Date. And then come right down here next to your signature and paste that. Okay, so you have officially signed the contract. So next you're going to come up to the top right up here, and you're going to click Additional Signer. So you're going to click that little button. You're going to add your customer's name. Okay, once you have that added, it's going to give you a couple of different options. It's going to give you in-person signer, which you would obviously use if you are signing the contract in the home with the customer. It's going to give you remote signer, which is going to email the contract to the customer for them to sign. It's also going to give you the option to receive a copy, which is just going to send a copy of the completed document. So for now, I'm going to choose in-person signer, and I'm going to click Done. Okay, from here, you're going to want to go back up to the top. And because you have completed signing the document, you're going to click Finish right up here. And then you're going to click Confirm Signing. Okay, so from here, you're going to want to pass your tablet or iPad off to your customer, but you may still want to help them through this process a little bit. They're going to want to click Begin Signing right here, just like you did. Pretty similar process. You're going to scroll down. You're going to want to make sure that they sign that initial space right here. So you're going to come up to the top and you're going to click Initials. And then come down to the bottom right here. Click that space. They're going to need to draw their initials. You're going to then click Adopt. Move those over a tiny bit if needed. Scroll down. So then they're going to want to sign the contract as well. So they're going to come up here and click Signature. And then come down here to Owner Signature. Draw Signature. Same thing, just click Adopt right here. If you need to move that around, you can. Next, they're going to want to add the date of signing. just the same way that you did. So you're going to click date once again, come down to date next to their name, date signed, and they are all done. So you're going to come back up to this top right-hand corner right here. You're going to click Finish, Confirm Signing, and you're all set. So you can just click Done now, and you're going to see that completed document show up right here. So that is it. That is pretty much all it takes to upload a contract and sign with the customer in Docusign. If y'all have any other questions, please email support@HIRevPro.com. Have a great day.